Hi again, let's continue with TestNG. Copy second test and paste it to the same package. I'm gonna rename it TestNG.xml. Let's pick it up. It's pretty much same. And first of all, let's execute it. Run as TestNG test. All right. The test passed. Now, first thing we'd like to discuss TestNG reports. Right click and refresh your project. Click on refresh. Then go to test output folder here. And here you got two reports. First of all, index.html and second, emailable report HTML. Double click on each on index.html. This is your first report. You might click on show to see your report. Past methods. Return back to your Project Explorer and double click on emailable report HTML. As you can see, it's in different format. Under past 1, 0 others. Default test, past. Specifically created for emailable purposes. Now, I'll clear my console. And this time, I'll right-click and TestNG.xml Java. Right-click. As you can see here, TestNG. Here, select option TestNG and convert to TestNG.xml. Click on option, convert to TestNG.xml. Here it is. First of all, please notice on your left top, Generate TestNG.xml. Generate TestNG.xml checkbox is checked by default. Location, suite name, you might rename your test name if you like. Now let's take a look at options. First of all, class selection by classes or by packages. Right now, by classes. You can switch by packages if you like. Switch back to classes. Parallel mode. Methods, classes, tests. If you select some parallel mode, you have to enter the thread count because they're gonna be running in parallel mode. Right now it's not necessary. Parallel mode, I'm going by default. Class selection, classes. Parallel mode, none. Thread mode, nothing. This is your preview TestNG.xml file. Click Finish. Right-click on your project. Click Refresh. As you can see, under POM Project Object Model XML, another XML file has been created, TestNG.xml. Double-click on it. Let's review it. Right now, as you can see, suite name, suite, thread count 5, name test, and our classes, exactly what we've seen. Close it. And now run. Right-click on TestNG.xml and run as TestNG suite. Yes, you can run the TestNG.xml file itself. As you can see, it perfectly works. I'll clear the console. And now I'll double-click on TestNG.xml file. And I'm gonna add here another class names. It was TestNG2 and TestNG1. So under classes, I want to run 3 tests. File, save, close it. I'll close this TestNG3. I want to run all of them through TestNG.xml file. Right-click on TestNG.xml, run as TestNG suite. Let's see at the TestNG, test1, TestNG3, XML, test2, TestNG, test1, TestNG. Now, right-click on your project, click Refresh. Let's take a look at both reports in test output folder. Index.html, as you can see, 3 passed. What most interesting is emailable report. Passed 3, as you can see here, 3, total 3. This is the total report for all 3 tests. And this is the test summary. I recommend you to use emailable report with a better format. This is good overview, and see you in the next lectures.